All right, everyone. We're doing something a little bit different today. I am going to showcase something I just purchased for our upcoming road trip from fullwindsor.com. So this is kind of a first for me, and I figured this would be a great way to showcase an item we bought and kind of my first impressions. So this is the Full Windsor Magware Magnetic Bowl Plates Cutlery Family Set. It's supposed to be 35 pieces. We're going on a road trip, and I saw this. It came through actually my Facebook feed and read some reviews and thought, you know what? This would be great, not only for this road trip, but for future camping trips, especially if down the road something we are very interested in is possibly getting like a mobile home, a camper, not a mobile home, but a camper and a pool behind and camp all over the country. So um, just got this package delivered, a little bit of extra paper, there's a box within a box, isn't secure enough. And we've got our full Windsor package here. I can slip in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn off the blur. Sorry, I had a meeting, and a lot of times I just turn off, have the blur going because my room is a little messy. I got my coffee mug sitting there and my video games and all that. But anyways, so here's the package. So this is what we're looking at. Looking at bowls, plates, silverware, and little pouch to carry the silverware. And then there is also, oh, here we go. So showcasing all the things, um, bowls, plates, and how they all stack and stick together. And then there's this carry case and a little strap. So very nice packaging. And actually, it's got a little topographical map. You can't really maybe make that out in the camera there. Uh, and very cool box. And everything looks really nice. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's heavy. It feels so solid. Oh, look, it also has this little carrying case. Comes pre-stacked in there, so nothing else in the box. That box back in that box. And this is a quality case. Now it is open, because they put it in there. Um, it's got a couple little zippers around here, orange and blue, a little full Windsor um, Magware uh, kind of badge on the front. I guess here, you could put something in there. Not much space for much, maybe some napkins or something. Um, but really cool zipper goes all the way around. Um, so let's get to it. And nice little straps here. These could be a little thicker, just in the width. I mean, they feel good enough, but when you're holding that, if you're carrying that, may not be as great. This also feels thermal insulated, nice and smooth there. All right, so we've got a couple different things. Got a strap here, so you can do a shorter strap, and that's actually pretty cool. I might not use that though, just because of the trip we're going on right now. I don't really need that. Um, got some dishwashing instructions. Top rack dishwasher when washing the bowls and plates. If you must use the bottom rack, make sure the round plastic magnet inserts are not facing downward towards the heating and drying element, or the round plastic magnet inserts may warp with high temperature. Okay, so just be mindful. High temperature, also in French and Dutch, I believe, or German. I looked at that really quick. DE, I think that's German. All right, so we've got a couple different things here. And this container, as we pull these out, has a little slot in here, so your silverware pouch can rest in that. And then you've got your bowls that will rest in there. And then as you take all this out, we're not going to take these apart just yet. As you take all this out, the little side pouch unveils the plates. Again, very solid, very sturdy construction. This is a really quality pouch. keeping all that handy. So very cool. All right, so let's look at this now. So we got the stack of plates. So this is a 35-piece set. So within this, there are 5 different colors: orange, a light blue, a black, a green, and like a medium blue color. And so you've got, oh, you know what? Maybe I read that wrong. These are kind of like a deeper dish. I thought they were all flat plates. 5 plates. And so this is some of the discovery as I now open this. Hold on, let's not play their video. Uh, all right, let's see here. All right, let's go back. I'm looking at their page here, and I can actually share that. So let me go ahead and do that, so you can see what I'm reading from, and then yeah. All right. So here's their website, and so we've got 5 small bowls. So that's these. So I can see these using maybe like breakfast cereal type thing. 5 small bowls, 5 small plates, and those stack nicely right on top. And because it's all magnetic, um, obviously with the weight, it's going to fall a little bit, but they stack nicely in there. And then we've got 5 large bowls, so a bigger, maybe dinner bowl, dinner plate, and 5 large plates. And again, these all have little magnets here, kind of stack nicely. If you've got like a shelf in your RV, not going to shift around, and you want to stack everything in a container, for travel, can all fit. Okay, so that's the differences there, the bowls, plates, and the different sizes, and then you can see here these have different colors on them. So there's the orange. Can remagnetize a little bit here and shift them around. There we go. So we've got orange, and then the dark blue, green, black, and the light blue. Okay, and each of those correspond with your silverware. So not only does each of the bowls and plates have that, but you also have this pouch that has the silverware, and there are, oh, this is velcroed around, so even more, staying in place. And this is what I first saw when I went to their website. I had this ad in my Facebook, so kudos to your Facebook marketing. Saw this ad for these and was like, ooh, these would be great for our upcoming road trip. And then went on to the site and instantly was upsold to the plate and bowl combo. All right. So oh man, I don't know if you could hear that, but this is your stack of your forks and your spoon. And so you've got nice orange metal, um, a light blue, almost teal turquoise looking color, black. Uh, this one's the dark. Yeah, this is the dark green. Hopefully I get to use that one because that's about as close to my Eagles color green. And then there's the dark blue. Sorry, looking and talking at the same time. And these all, again, you can just stack them together quickly, right like that. Now the other cool thing, and this is part of why I like these. Let's say you are out at a get together. How many times have you been, you know, eating at a cookout, or you're camping and you're like, you're trying to figure out like where to put your silverware? You can clip these, okay? So your spoon and your fork, you just clip them right to your dish, okay? Whether on the underside, actually on the other side looks like it repels that. Oh, there you go. So you can pop those right in, uh, and they're not going to get loose. They're not going to fly away. So to me, that's super cool that you can do that. So as you're sitting and you're eating, you just put your silverware right there, and they're not going to blow away, fly away, kind of thing. Um, Super cool, super cool. And that goes for all of them. So they're all magnetic. You can leave the stack together. Um, if you want to give your kids their stack, you can just say, here's your stack, here's your fork and your spoon and your knife. And I guess the knife the knife goes in the middle because of the way that they're shaped. Okay, here's your stack, and you can just go on your merry way. You can pop it in your pocket, or you want to sit it on the end of your bowl. You can do that, and that's going to work on any of the bowls or the plates, um, right like that. So you could just magnetize right there. Um, so that's really it. And this is my first kind of one of these. I don't often, you know, buy something. Nice, pretty sharp too. Careful with that. I don't often buy something and immediately want to like share with everyone, but I felt like I just got this in the mail. Um, Ordered it for our upcoming road trip. Got some more instructions there, stacking them, maintaining the silverware. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just do a video. And yeah. Oh, heyo, I'm made from recycled plastic bottles. So that might be the pouch, might be made from recycled plastic bottles. That's super cool. So the cool thing about something like this is that you have this and it's strong, and you can, take it to a cookout, you can take it to camping, you can have all these items and use them, and you're not using plates, you're not using disposable silverware, you're not contributing to the trash that we have in the world. And I think that's an awesome thing. It may be a little pricey. I believe on the Father's Day sale, I got this whole thing. It was like $250, which some people might be like, "Wow, that is a lot of money," and it kind of is. But if you think about it, the safety and the security of always having your silverware with you, always having adhered metallic to the bowls, having something that maybe can sit in your camper, your RV, and not shift around and separate. Also, being a family of four, there are five of each here. Being a family of four, we each have our own color. The girls and my wife and I have already decided which color we're going to use, and we're ready to go. So I realized that I was sharing the screen and maybe not as zoomed in as I could have been. So I apologize. So let's take a look real quick one more time at what we have here. So we've got this pouch that holds all the silverware together, and each one, comes off. Kind of, there's our turquoise color. You could stack those silverware separately, and you can use any of the spoons, forks, etc. You can have those just magnetized to your plate, so it's never going to go anywhere. You don't have to worry about losing, during a storm, it's windy or whatever. You can have those just magnetized right on to your plate, and you're ready to go and do your cookout. So again, fullwindsor.com. This is the Magware Magnetic Bowls, Plates, Cutlery Family Set. And I don't get any money as far as I know. I'll have to check my email. There might be a code, and I can send that out to you guys, add it into the video. Totally recommend. And who knows, maybe you'll see some pictures down the road of us using this in the wild, and maybe I'll have a follow-up to how our trip went. Thanks.